Sure, we just on my camera. Are you going to send it to me? It's off. Yeah. Okay. So, can I? She's a boss lady. I have lots to learn from her.
Solo.
Yeah. Should I just put the bag away?
Just center look.
Am I okay?
Yes.
20.
Just straight.
Yeah.
ज्वेलरी देख रही है उसका विजुअल्स ले लो थोड़ा सा जाके
You want to rank it 1 to 12?
Yeah, the first one is the best which you like. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12.
Okay. Where is this? This.
This one is this one. Should I take the one into pieces now?
No, I'm good. I'm going through this fast. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try and look at it properly and finish it. Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Good, good. How are you? Thank
Good.
you so much
Adi, it's a
for
pleasure.
taking
It's a
time out
pleasure.
for
It's a
us.
pleasure. Sorry
Thank
for
you.
being a little late.
No, it's
I was just coming in.
It's fine. It's okay. I know how we are all juggling with like a zillion things. I know of her.
Husband just passed away. So I just miss here. And he's, for his since working. So I'm just so like, yeah, for it's very fragile life. And I read her on Saturday. Gold ones are very pretty. Huh? Hi, my God, how are you? I know. Those were the days. क्या check in है?
Meet Khalid also.
You meet him? He's the obviously. I want to scare my husband.
What's the government going to do with this, yeah?
Just not my French how they were. Just curious.
But Pinky's going to be in shock because Pinky and Kappu are very close and she's landing just now. I don't think she knows. But when did you just find out?
So long. You look the same. Same. See, life didn't move her. She's got frozen.
She and Gayatri Oberoi, they didn't change.
Sorry.
Both of you beauties just keep quiet. I'm like the yellow dragon in the middle.
You see,
She's also chic. I see all these YPO, YEO, 4 stores. इसी की आते हैं हर जगह. Namrata. You know, my cousin is a friend of yours, na? Annie. Yeah. हमारी जान.
Yeah, I
She's
know,
my
you can see
जान.
whether you're
She's
enjoying
my
that.
जान. Does it?
That's nice.
What are you? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a bracelet. Okay, what are we doing?
Do I look completely mental?
Totally. Lovely with chest.
Huh? Okay, how bad does it look? Can someone show me?
Actually, it was nice.
Huh? But if you can use something.
Yeah. No, it's perfect. I need to show my
But even you go left, huh?
Just tell me about my hair. Savvy. Bal. Perfect. No, I've been doing for whoever. You just tell me.
Okay, first here. Okay, can we go center first? And there? There?
Let's go left to right.
Okay, just start. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mom is getting operated today, so she has moved it to the evening. She left from Juhu, but you know the traffic and all that. So I think she'll be here at 1:25, 5-10 minutes ago. So I'm just waiting.
Okay. Thank you. I just go to the restroom and come back.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah? Thank you. No, I can't do this. Don't be like that. Never. You look stuck. Look at your skin. Look at your skin. You're just glowing. After babies, if I look like you now, it'll be amazing. Please do. I'm done with my job. I don't go back. Where's Namrata?
Right side, right.
Oh, here. Yeah. Namrata?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है हाँ हाँ तनिजा जी हो तनिजा मैम राइट साइड थैंक यू
Just look here, please.
मैम look here.
Yes, ready. Ready. Yes. Yes. Ma'am, look here, please. Ma'am, just look here, my camera. Okay, thank you.
How are you?
I'm okay.
My phone and my bag. You have makeup on. Like, we will not be visible after you two are there. I said I will see something.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, straight all of you.
Smile, which I shouldn't, but hang on, give me a minute. I want to smile.
बस हो गया खाली ready ma'am just look here please look center please center
Center?
yeah center
Right. Awesome. We did it properly. We did it instructed. Director Saab.
Look in this camera.
Okay. Too good. Let's go put these on.
Look center.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. Anything.
And look here. Wait. Hold ma'am, look here. Yeah, look here, center.
Okay, मेरे को फोटोशॉप करना है, इनको जरूरत नहीं है. I love big clothes together, but that's is he ready to have ladies? We haven't met. I just you just look familiar. No, I have seen it. Sorry. I quickly came on to go like I really knew her because I'm watching it. Yeah. But I've also watched it, so I know I should talk now. So where matchmaking? You found her there? No, I didn't. I have so many extras after her she rejects. Because I don't want to see her like this. Why even after baby? Like that is so weird. You can't be right after she delivers. The next day, some of them look like this. The genetics are that good. My mother. It's all because of my mother.
सोलो करना तनिषा का सोलो ले लो.
Light
Yeah.
बरोबर आहे.
हाँ बराबर. Okay. One minute. You ready? Look here, please. Yes. Lovely. Just chin down, ma'am. Chin down. Yes. Thank you. Here, please.
And thank you for waiting.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. ईशा इकडे एक मिनिट. ग्रुप करना है. Yes, done.
On the table, they said there's no need for angioplasty. So the minute I got to know, I left from Rich Candy Hospital, gone home, gotten ready in record time. So that's why I'm sorry. That's why I was late.
Then you can just relax and
I just need some cocktails. Please, if you don't mind. You look very familiar. Yes. I've come here, I think I came here in 2011.
yes, 2011.
Right? Very many years ago.
Marriott.
These are all wedding sets, is it?
Yeah, these are gold jewelry.
Politician. Hello? Oh my god, should I look at this or should I look at this? No, only look at these. Full Marathi Murgi politician you've become. I love it. I'm South Indian. Yeah, but since I'm from Maharashtra, of course. Yes. Yes, सबको लगता है, but it's nice. Good Mangalorean is very similar to Konkani. Why you don't want us to look official, like we're judging something? Let's take a picture. Put your bag on the other side.
Yeah, ma'am.
The angle wrong है. Hi, कैसे हो? I want some coffee. Please, have you seen this piece? Isn't it stunning? I thought it was a part of the costume. You thought it was mine? Yeah. Why not? Come on, Tanisha. I've been working for so many years now. I know. But I was like, this draping on the shoulder. And so it was a part of the costume. How nice though. But going so well. So you're taking this home? Yeah. I'm just thinking, whatever I wear, can I take it back home? Come with enough. You don't need to take anything home.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to.
You can hold the jewelry a little bit, one or two pieces.
I'm wearing this temple jewelry. See, everybody thinks that I can walk out like this. Maybe can I just, Okay, I'll go on that side.
Yeah, sure.
Just a minute.
Oh my God. Tish. टेम्पल ज्वेलरी यार पहन लो और घर चले जाओ अरे नो लेट मी ट्राई द ग्रीन पीस शाह बोल रहा है मैंने नाम तो चेंज
Let me clear.
Leave my bag. My phone is with you. My bag is here.
Show me clear.
Yeah, okay, then you might as well go with only the ones that I know. So I'll have 2 for 1. My vote is 2 for 1. Can I see myself? 1 for someone. Turn Karan out. See here, look at this. That's what exit with you. ये खुला There is this one. Oh, that's not gone. All the ones that have not come, I am trying to take. Where is this one? I do not have this, but I love this. This is so stunning. What are these for? There's nothing. I don't need this here. This also? This is there? This is what? Nothing. Here also nothing.
Colored gemstone rings.
That's a ring?
Yeah,
Can I
it's
see
a
that?
2-finger ring. Yeah, sure.
What does one wear that?
Look here, ma'am.
Stunning. Really stunning. Tish?
पहले तो मुझे ये कहना है कि आई लव ज्वेलरी एज यू कैन सी आज मैंने मेरे ड्रेस पे ही डायमंड्स के जैसे ब्लिंक कर दिया है ज्वेलरी इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट बिकॉज एक औरत अपने बदन को you know she adorns herself with jewelry and it actually highlights that part of your body like if you wear it on your ears it highlights that and actually these are sensual points. So for me, I think of jewelry in so many ways, and I think one of the biggest criteria for me to highlight, to judge the jewelry will be how well it's made, what the quality of the jewelry is, what the quality of the stones are, how, even if the stones are not high quality, but how they're set, so that the actual, you know, it should, you wear jewelry to highlight your body, so the jewelry should be set in such a way that it highlights the stones and it highlights itself.
Okay, personally, in real life, what kind of jewelry do you like? A lighter one or a heavier one?
I like heavy jewelry. I like big. I like. I don't normally wear such delicate jewelry. मैं ज़्यादातर बहुत ही बड़े बड़े pieces अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे जो statement pieces की तरह हैं और अभी fashion में भी statement pieces ज़्यादा चलते हैं and I think आप उसके बीच में थोड़े elegant, real pieces डाल सकते हो but mostly I like jewelry that stands out.
But besides that, you know, is there any jewelry which you don't miss wearing it every day on your daily basis and you don't usually go out without wearing that?
I have an Om ring
Okay.
जो मैं रोज़ पहनती हूँ मेरे फिंगर पे. I think it's made with diamonds. मेरे मम्मी ने मुझे प्रेजेंट किया था एंड मैं सिर्फ इवेंट के लिए नहीं पहनती हूँ क्योंकि वो कभी कभी वो सूट नहीं करता है और यू नो योर स्टाइलिस्ट आपको अलग अलग रिंग्स देते हैं मगर अदरवाइज आई वेयर इट ऑल द टाइम.
ओके बिसाइड्स दैट यू नो तनीषा बहुत टाइम भी हो गया है आपको हमने स्क्रीन पर अच्छी फिल्म्स के साथ नहीं देखा है तो व्हेन इज द टाइम व्हेन यू नो
आपको लगता है बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स बन रही हैं आई थिंक डेफिनेटली क्वालिटी फिल्म्स अगर मुझे मिलेंगे तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगी. वेब अभी बहुत ही बड़ी जगह बन गई है. मैं फिल्म्स बनाना चाहती हूँ तो मेरे प्रोडक्शन हाउस में होपफुली सून मैं शुरू करूँगी मगर अदरवाइज आई फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट. तो मेरा NGO है इट्स कॉल्ड स्टैम्प and I'm very busy working with my NGO. It's about planting trees रिड्यूसिंग द कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, क्लाइमेट चेंज बहुत बड़ा इशू बन गया है और ये क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 साल है। अगर हम 3 साल में कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो बॉम्बे में रहना ठीक नहीं होगा।
ओके तनिषा मैम, इसके अलावा काजल मैम का बहुत ही जल्द बर्थडे आ रहा है और उन्होंने पर्सनली कहा है कि मैं सरप्राइज के लिए रेडी हूँ, या मॉम से हो या सिस्टर से हो। सो
रियली ये मुझे पहली बार सुनाई दे रहा है।
2 days
ओह वाह, ओके ना आपने मुझे यू नो एक यू पुट मी इन अ जैम, क्योंकि अभी मैं क्या करूँगी। ओह नो, उसने हस्बैंड के पास से नहीं पूछा क्या, सिर्फ सिस्टर एंड मॉम को बोला क्या? ओह डैम इट, अभी मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा। रियली अभी सीरियसली मुझे कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा। I'll have to think about it. Let's see.
और इसके साथ ही बिग बॉस भी आ रहा है, जो कि अभी फिर एक बार
मेरा बिग बॉस बहुत साल पहले खत्म हो गया।
नहीं, बट आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस सीजन एज वेल? क्योंकि बिग बॉस इस बार फिर से सेम कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ आ रहा है, जहाँ पे सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज होंगे।
देखो तो बिग बॉस के डायरेक्टर जो है मलय, वो बहुत ही समझदार डायरेक्टर है। वो जो भी करेंगे आई थिंक ही इज़ गोइंग टू मेक ईच शो बहुत ही फैबुलस। जब भी उन्होंने नॉर्मल लोगों को लिया था तभी भी सब लोग देख रहे थे। आई थिंक हर साल मैं सुनती हूँ कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट सीजन एवर। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो डायरेक्टर है मलय, वो बहुत ही अच्छा काम करेंगे। आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट बिग बॉस।
थैंक यू सो मच। क्राइटेरिया को ध्यान में रख के ज्वेलरीज को जज किया है?
सबसे पहले तो ज्वेलरी नहीं, लेकिन जूरी मेंबर कहीं भी बनना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि मेरे करियर में, मेरी लाइफ में भी बहुत ऐसे जूरी पैनल्स रहे हैं जहाँ जब मुझे चुना नहीं गया, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया मेरे जूरी पे कि क्यों मुझे चुना नहीं गया। बहुत हार्ड वर्क होता है, सब लोग मेहनत करते हैं और हमें चूज़ करने के लिए बहुत कम समय में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें जज करना होता है। तो यू विन सम यू लूज सम, सबको तो हम लोग इट्स नॉट इजी टू चूज़ एवरी वन एंड एवरी पीस। नाउ हैविंग सेड दैट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ज्वेलरी। तो हर किसी को चूज़ करना, पीस को चूज़ करना इजी नहीं होता। तो हम वी टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन कि किस कैटेगरी में हम लोग, जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो कैटेगरीज हैं, बेस्ट डायमंड ब्रेसलेट्स ऑफ द ईयर, बेस्ट डायमंड ईयरिंग्स ऑफ द ईयर, फिर पोल्की, बेस्ट वर्क ज्वेलरी, जो ज्वेलरी हम लोग पहन के काम के लिए जा सकते हैं, विच इज़ वेरेबल। सो कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन माइंड, देन यू हैव टू जज। तो मैंने कोशिश की है, तो लेट्स होप।
And also we have always seen you in a very light jewelries, but sometimes ऐसे occasions होते हैं जहाँ heavy. But what kind of jewelries do you personally like wearing?
I think for me less is more. I think it all depends on आप क्या उस वक्त कहाँ जा रहे हो और आपने क्या पहना है। अगर आपने बहुत ही मोनोटोन सिंपल, जैसे एक टोन का कोई एक कलर का ड्रेस पहना है, यू कैन वेयर सम नाइस। आजकल ऐसा नहीं है कि यू वेयर इंडियन ज्वेलरी और वेस्टर्न ज्वेलरी। ये ज़माना, आई थिंक नाउ एवरीबडी इज़ वेयरिंग एवरीथिंग विद एवरीथिंग। सो यू कैन वेयर इंडियन ज्वेलरी विद on gowns, on western clothing and vice versa. So it all depends on you, your style, your taste, आपको कैसे क्या अच्छा लगता है। Today only?
all the time, but
Okay, thank you so much.
Earrings.
Earrings, teardrop earrings, yes. These are designed by me. Yes, these are designed by me, And these I had everybody's like no, I'm designed in the sense I told my jeweler this is how I want it. I drew it for him and I gave it to him. These were made when I was carrying Rihanna and I was 5 months pregnant. We have a function called for the 5th month where we have to wear everything green, where the food is green, where what you wear is green, everything is green. We call it Patswa. Patswa manje green. So 5th month and Patswa. So and that everything. So that's when I designed it. So that, technically this is Rihanna's gift to me.
ओके सब औरत की बात करें तो बहुत ही गहरा ताल्लुकात होता है ज्वेलरी के साथ.
हाँ, हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
पर्सनली आपका कितना एडिक्टेड है ज्वेलरी और कितना पसंद है रियल लाइफ?
मुझे ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है. मैं इनकार नहीं करूँगी, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी. लेकिन ये जो मेरी पसंद है शादी से पहले इतनी नहीं थी. आई थिंक एज यू ग्रो एंड एज यू सी पीपल एंड टेस्ट वी चेंज, राइट? चेंज इज़ कॉन्स्टेंट, इट्स इम्पेरेटिव. तो पहले मुझे ज्वेलरी ठीक है, ओके, बट धीरे 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 डायमंड्स एनीवेज आर गर्ल्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक वन सॉलिटेयर, वन टेनिस ब्रेसलेट and one queen's necklace with solitaires is a must in your wardrobe. And over the years ये नहीं कि आप सब ज्वेलरी एक साथ खरीदो, वो बहुत ही कम लोग है जो ऐसे खरीद सकते हैं. But I think you have to be very wise when you wear your jewelry. You have to trust your jewelers and over the years just accumulate, collect your pieces.
मस्ट की बात की है तो कोई एक ऐसी ज्वेलरी जो मस्ट है जिसे पहने बिना आप बाहर नहीं निकलती?
हाँ, मेरा ये engagement ring. The wedding ring is too big and I find it too flashy. So I just wear my engagement ring all the time.
ओके ईशा, मैं बहुत ही जल्द आपको बड़े पर्दे में बहुत ही जल्द देखने वाले हैं.
हाँ जी.
So anything you like to share about your upcoming projects?
See, फिलहाल I'm very busy with web series. That's digitalization is the new thing and everybody is being doing that. So I'm just doing one for Balaji Alt and they will see me as a cop after a long time. I done Kya Cool Hai Hum as Urmila Martodkar and now and everybody has loved me and they still remember me and I'm so humbled when even the cops stop me और मुझे बोलते हैं आप हमारे थाने कब आ रहे हो. तो अभी वापस बालाजी is we're doing a web series called Fixer. उसमें मैं कॉप प्ले कर रही हूँ जिसमें मेरा नाम जयंती जावड़ेकर है. तो फ़िलहाल वो है और एक नए पोर्टल के लिए मैंने एक वेब सीरीज़ जस्ट शूट किया है एंड इट्स इन द पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन स्टेजेस. फ़िलहाल ये है. एज़ फार एज मूवीज़, हिंदी मूवीज़ गो, आई विल नॉट लाई, लेकिन 2-3 ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं जहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा बोला है आप प्लीज़. हाँ, जैसे ही अनाउंसमेंट आएगी मैं आपका नंबर लेती हूँ, आपको फ़ोन करके बता दूँगी.
तो ये मेरी दूसरी बार है. इंग्लिश और हिंदी? Hindi. Anything? Okay. So I can do both if you want. I'll do a mix of both, right? So this is center?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my second time as a juror at the Retail Jewelry India Awards and it's beautiful. Jewelry इतना खूबसूरत है, इतना it's all unique, it's all different. ये साल तो पिछले साल से भी बेहतर है. It's larger than life. Its creativity बहुत high है and it's just stunning. It's really stunning.
Okay, first of all, it's
जी.
feeling very good to see
जी.
after a long time.
Long time, yes. I'm selling chicken now.
Okay, so what will be the
जी.
criteria for judging all the jewelry?
जी. So the criteria for judging jewelry for me personally is design, very important. How unique it is very very important. Or wearability, practicality बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए. So to see something larger than life, लेकिन जो पहन नहीं सकते, kind of for me doesn't work. So I think I'll look at creativity. How much you're playing with things, how much are you stretching your own limit, and of course practicality.
Okay, in personal life, what kind of jewelry do you like? A lighter one or heavy one?
Light. So I'm like a diamond girl. I love and everything with me is very pretty and small and delicate. So I like delicate jewelry very much.
How much are you addicted to the jewelry or the accessories?
So I'm not addicted to it at all. In fact, I'm very simple. I don't. My wedding ring hasn't come off my hand in 12 years, and I'm not very good at adding on 100 things. So खरीदती हूँ, लेकिन I'm not obsessed with it. It's not like I have to buy jewelry every year. And there's no such desire.
And which is that one jewelry which you don't miss it every time wherever you go?
So my wedding ring is on my hand all the time. So if you go to the beach या कहीं जाती हूँ तो निकालना पड़ता है and I feel empty. So I don't know. It's my wedding ring is one thing I won't live without. Yeah.
And also it's been a long time and
Yes.
we have not
Yes.
seen you.
Yeah.
still.
12 years. 12 years. Yeah. So, it's well, I don't know. See, it's been 12 years. I'm now working with my father. I head marketing and sales. We have a brand called Zorabian Chicken. So I'm, in fact, wearing my brand color, which is yellow. Yes, I work very hard with my father. I miss being an actor, of course. But my children say, Mama, don't sell chickens. Please, do some acting. But the kids are small. So I'm just trying to balance work. We've grown the business in a huge way. So I think with work and with the young kids, it's a bit tough. But I think eventually I will. I have to get the courage to do it. Right now I'm playing it safe.
Besides that, web platform is playing a
I
very
know,
huge
I know,
role,
I know,
these
I know,
days.
I
So
know.
if you are
Ji.
thinking of coming back
Right.
on screen, so will that be on web or something?
So my niece works with RSVP Films, and she said, Parizad, you should do digital and do a lot of there's so much interesting stuff on the web, but everything's about time, and I have over 800 people working with me at Zorabian. So as long as I get that work streamlined, then I can do my own natak and indulge in my own passion. But I will have to make the time to do that, and I should. It'll be lovely.